Kasi yung betrayal of public trust, culpable violation of the Constitution, it's a legal conclusion,
Yeah.
right?
Mhm.
So kailangan natin, tayo, yung mga senator judges na lalo, we need a justification, a legal justification to link that together. Si Director Matibag, sinasabi niya na yung mga yon, yung mga threats, they are considered by law enforcement as a threat to national security. So the next question is, which tatanungin ng mga senator judges dapat ito sa sarili nila, is that a betrayal of public trust? Yun ang sabi ni Director Matibag, di ba? Sabi niya, na-consummate, yun na nga yung term niya, na-consummate na yung betrayal of public trust when the Vice President admitted the threats. But that is a legal conclusion, right? So ang tanong ngayon, sapat na ba yun na sinabi ni Director Matibag yun? That's the question, right? Now, kung ako tatanungin nyo, medyo hindi sapat kasi kahit mismo si Director Matibag, sabi niya, wala sa purview ng NBI yung pag-define ng betrayal of public trust because that is an impeachment matter. Sinabi rin niya yun, di ba, on cross-examination. So, dito kaya sabi ko, hindi yata ganun kalakas pa. Napahapyawan ni Director Matibag, pero hindi ganun solid. At least for me, for my observation, yung aspeto na yon na nabibridge yung utterances doon sa legal conclusion that they amounted to a betrayal of public trust and a culpable violation of the Constitution.